Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special. A pickup truck that blends retro charm with modern muscle. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 Vintage Pickup. If you're a fan of classic trucks but crave the tech and performance of today's vehicles, you're in for a treat. This beauty is Chevrolet's love letter to the golden age of trucks, reimagining the iconic 3100 series from the 1940s and 50s with a modern twist. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's take a deep dive into every detail of this incredible machine. From its head-turning exterior to its powerful performance, comfy interior, pricing, and some suggestions for potential buyers. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the exterior, starting with the front. The 2026 Chevy 3100 is a visual masterpiece that screams vintage vibes while subtly nodding to modern design. The front grille is bold and chrome-heavy, just like the original 3100s, with those classic horizontal slats that give it a tough, no-nonsense look. The Chevrolet bow tie sits proudly in the center, polished to a mirror-like shine. The headlights are a standout, round, retro-styled LED units that deliver crisp, bright illumination while keeping that old-school aesthetic. They're framed by sleek chrome bezels that add a touch of class. The hood is long and sculpted, with gentle curves that hint at the power lurking underneath. You can't help but feel like you're looking at a truck that could have rolled off a 1950s assembly line, but with a fit and finish that's unmistakably 2026. Available paint options like sunset pearl orange and metallic blue, as seen in some early previews, make this truck pop. And the attention to detail in the bodywork is impeccable. No misaligned panels or cheap plastic here. Moving to the side profile, the 3100 continues to impress with its timeless silhouette. The long hood flows into a compact, functional cab, and the short bed or step-side options give it that authentic vintage pickup stance. The fenders are pronounced, with smooth curves that frame the wheels perfectly. Speaking of wheels, you've got options ranging from 18-inch classic chrome hubcaps to 20-inch US Mags aluminum wheels for a more modern, aggressive look. The chrome trim running along the windows and body adds a touch of elegance, while the optional pinstriping, available in custom patterns, lets you personalize it to your taste. One detail I love is the subtle patina finish option for those who want that weathered, lived-in look without sacrificing structural integrity. The side mirrors are chrome-plated and slightly oversized, giving you great visibility while complementing the retro aesthetic. Whether you're cruising through town or parked at a car show, this side profile is guaranteed to turn heads. Now, let's check out the back. The tailgate is a work of art. Simple, sturdy, and stamped with the Chevrolet logo in bold letters. The rear bumper is chrome, matching the front grille, and it's built to handle real work, not just look pretty. The taillights are another nod to the past, with round LED designs that echo the headlights. They're bright, responsive, and give the rear a clean, uncluttered look. The bed itself is practical, with an optional oak wood floor that's both durable and gorgeous, perfect for showing off or hauling light loads. Some models come with a multi-flex midgate, a clever feature borrowed from modern Chevys that lets you extend the bed length for larger cargo. It's a small but thoughtful touch that makes the 3100 more versatile than its vintage inspiration. Overall, the rear design stays true to the truck's roots, while adding just enough modern flair to keep it fresh. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Chevy 3100 is where classic meets contemporary in the best way possible. The cabin is a blend of retro styling and modern comfort, designed to make you feel like you're driving a classic truck without sacrificing today's conveniences. The seats are available in premium materials like black leather or gray cloth, with options for custom stitching in colors like adrenaline red or Santorini blue. Bucket seats come standard, but there's an optional bench seat for that true 1950s vibe. The dashboard is a standout, with a minimalist layout that incorporates a 12.7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Kenwood stereo with crisp sound quality. A smaller 6.6-inch auxiliary display gives you quick access to performance data, like G-forces or launch control settings, which we'll get to later. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather with a classic thin rim design that feels great in your hands. Chrome accents and analog-inspired gauges tie the retro theme together, while modern touches like push-button start and climate control keep things practical. There's even a backup camera and GPS navigation, making this truck as easy to live with as any modern vehicle. The cabin is surprisingly spacious for a compact pickup, with enough legroom and headroom for taller drivers, and the optional vintage air conditioning keeps you cool on hot summer days. Overall, it's a cozy, well-thought-out space that balances nostalgia with functionality. Now let's get to the heart of the 2026 Chevy 3100, its performance. This truck is no museum piece, it's built to move. Under the hood, you've got a couple of powertrain options, but the star of the show is the 5.7L LT1 V8 engine, pumping out around 400 horsepower and paired with a smooth 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission. This combo delivers a punchy, responsive driving experience that feels effortless whether you're cruising the highway or tackling a back road. For those who prefer a more traditional feel, there's a 235 CID inline-6 option with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering about 200 horsepower and a more engaging hands-on drive. Both engines are tuned for reliability and efficiency, with the V8 achieving around 18 mpg combined and the inline-6 hitting closer to 22 mpg, based on early estimates. The suspension is modern, with an optional Mustang II independent front setup and a RideTech Air Ride system for a smooth, adjustable ride. Power steering and disc brakes, sometimes even four-wheel discs, make handling and stopping a breeze, even with a full load. For off-road enthusiasts, the Trail Boss trim adds all-terrain tires and extra ground clearance, though this truck is more about cruising than hardcore off-roading. The 3100's towing capacity is impressive for its size, rated at up to 7,000 pounds, and the payload capacity hovers around 1,500 pounds, making it a practical choice for light-duty work. Whether you're after raw power or a laid-back drive, this truck delivers with a grin-inducing blend of old-school charm and modern performance. Let's talk pricing. The 2026 Chevy 3100 hasn't had official pricing released yet, but based on industry buzz and comparisons to similar vehicles, we can make some educated guesses. The base model with the inline-6 and manual transmission is likely to start around $40,000, making it a competitive option in the retro-inspired truck market. Higher trims, like those with the V8, leather interior, and premium features, could climb to $55,000 or more. Fully loaded models with custom paint, air ride suspension, and all the bells and whistles might push past $60,000. For context, restored classic 3100s on the market today range from $25,000 to $100,000, depending on condition and modifications. So the new 3100 offers a lot of value for a brand new vehicle with modern reliability. Financing options and trade-in deals at Chevrolet dealers will likely make it accessible. But if you're on a tight budget, the base model should still deliver plenty of style and performance. For those considering buying the 2026 Chevy 3100, here are a few suggestions. First, decide how you'll use the truck. If you're all about cruising and car shows, go for a higher trim with the V8, chrome wheels, and premium interior for maximum wow factor. If you want a daily driver with some work capability, the inline-6 with the manual transmission is a great balance of efficiency and fun. Think about your climate. Vintage air conditioning is a must if you're in a hot region, but you can skip it to save a few bucks in milder areas. The patina paint option is perfect for those who love a weathered look, but if you want a showstopper, go for a bold color like Sunset Pearl Orange. Also consider the bed configuration, short bed for style, or the multi-flex midgate for extra utility. Finally, check out aftermarket accessories like custom tonneau covers or exhaust systems to make it your own. This truck is all about personalization, so don't be afraid to build it to your taste. Just keep in mind that while it's versatile, it's not a heavy-duty workhorse like a Silverado HD, so don't expect it to haul massive loads. As we wrap up, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 Vintage Pickup is a stunning blend of nostalgia and modern engineering. It's a truck that captures the spirit of the 1950s with its iconic design while delivering the comfort, tech, and performance we expect in 2026. From its chrome-laden exterior to its cozy, tech-filled cabin and powerful V8 option, this is a vehicle that appeals to both classic car enthusiasts and modern truck buyers. Whether you're cruising to a car show, tackling a weekend project, or just enjoying the open road, the 3100 delivers a driving experience